Hi, I'm Jim. This is another Meteo Minute, and this is MetX, our visual representation of our weather data. Imagine this, a major US retailer needs to start stocking up on cold weather items because there may be a drop in the temperatures. Let's help them out. Start by adding a layer. We're going to do point of interest. We're going to load that CSV file that we have with 4,700 locations on it, and it'll take a... There it is. So let's go over here and let's start formatting this just a little bit. We're going to make all those locations white on the map so they're a little easier to read. We're going to set a threshold for temperature. That works. Fahrenheit, 2 meters. And we're also going to want to set this to blue. We are going to set the threshold to anything below 50 degrees Fahrenheit because that shouts buy a sweater. When we see that threshold light up in blue, we know that this particular store location is going to be one that is going to see some pretty chilly temperatures. So let's go ahead and set this for 2 weeks. That works. We're going to hit apply. So day one, we can tell, look at that. These are all the locations right here where stocking up on cold weather items might not be a bad idea.